There are two ways to add a supplier return: from the purchase order itself, or you can add a supplier return within the Purchases section in the left-hand menu, and from there, search the purchase order number. To get started, ensure that you select the warehouse that the goods will be returned from. You can delete any lines that you don't want to return, and select the appropriate reason for the return here, which can be set up under your system settings. You can return order price and/or stock. The quantity field will determine the unit quantity of the return, whether you choose to return price or stock. If returning price, enter in the unit price, and if returning stock, tick the return checkbox to return the order/unit quantity entered. If costs were included in your purchase order, you can choose to either refund or write off these costs. Once you're happy, you can then complete the supplier return. The View Supplier Returns page enables you to view all supplier returns, including parked or completed returns. By default, it will show all of the parked supplier returns in your account. Use the action cog at the end of the table to view, print, or email any supplier return, and click Export to PDF, CSV, etc. formats. Click Add Return here to enter a new supplier return.